Chapter 5. Birds and their nests. Most of the birds build their nests to protect their eggs. The nests must be hidden from their enemies. Usually, nests are made of twigs, grass, and leaves. Some birds use stones and pebbles to make their nests. The materials used in nest building vary with the size of the bird. Different birds build different types of nests. At the end of breeding season, birds leave their nests. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. Nests of a sparrow and pigeons. Sparrows and pigeons build nests in houses and other old buildings. They make their nests with grass, feathers, and leaves. Their nests are very cozy and comfortable. Sparrow's nest, pigeon's nest. Nests of a weaver bird. Weaver bird uses fine strips of palm or banana leaves. The nest hangs down from the branch of a tree. The entrance to the nest is at the bottom. The weaver bird lays its eggs on a platform built inside. Nests of a weaver bird. Weaver bird builds many nests to confuse the snakes because snakes eat eggs of the weaver bird. Weaver bird. Nest of a tailor bird. A tailor bird sews up and joins 2 or 3 large leaves with its beak. It uses natural fibers such as wool or cotton threads to sew the leaves. The nest is made cozy with wool, cotton, hair, leaves, etc. Nest of a tailor bird. Using the nests of adders. Some birds like cuckoo or quail and honey guide do not bother to build a nest. They use those which belong to other birds. The female cuckoo picks up a crow's nest and breaks a few eggs of crow and lays its own eggs inside. The mother crow unknowingly hatches the eggs as her own. Crow's nest. Cuckoo. Nests of some other birds. A woodpecker makes a hole in the trench of a tree with its beak and builds its nest there. Woodpecker. The parrots, owls, and hornbills make their nests in hollows of tree trunks. They use grass and feathers to make the nest cozy. Owl, hornbill, parrot. Vultures use sticks to make big nests in tall trees. The nest of a vulture looks like a shallow cup. Vulture. Trees do not grow where penguins live, so they use stone to build their nests. Penguins. Water birds sometimes build nests on the water. These nests are made of water plants. These nests are tied to the plants growing in lakes and ponds. Nest of a water bird. Caring for the young. The newborn chicks are blind, featherless, and helpless. They cannot stand. Parent birds feed them food items containing a lot of moisture. Parent birds also clean the nest. Within a few weeks, the young birds are ready to fly out on their own. Until then, parent birds protect the young ones from their enemies. What have we learned? Birds build their nests to protect their eggs. Different birds build different types of nests. Usually, birds use twigs, leaves, grass, feathers, stones and pebbles to build nests. Some birds, like cuckoo, do not build nests at all. Beaver bird builds more than one nest to confuse the enemy. Some birds make their nests in the trench or hollow of a tree. Birds look after their babies well. They feed them, keep them warm and protect them till they have learnt to look after themselves. New words learned. Nest. Structure built by birds for laying eggs. Hatch. Emerged from an egg.